Quinn cam. I've got a lead hose that's green that's in there. We're gonna run that from the compressor over to the pig tank, and we'll leave the generator off for as long as possible. I really want to try and freaking avoid running anything for a minute, because God, that thing is terribly noisy. Okay. This one will stand, this one will stand. Bang the small ones, this whole section's done. Check it out, you guys. I tinted the windows on the work truck. Celebrity status, you can't see in. So damn noisy. All this right here is gonna get packed to the back side of the house. We're gonna set all of it up back there. We have another drop coming today, so we need to have all the space cleared out. Cue ball's gonna work today. Alright, so I messed up. There should have been a channel right in here. I'm going to show you guys how to build a channel and exactly what it does. You need 3 steps. Stack them up just like that. One on top. Flush all the way down. Flip it. You've built a channel. Now you want to see which way that channel goes. This wall runs that way. Our intersecting comes right here, so we're going to want that to go down just like that. Now to give you an idea, when that wall comes up, you're gonna have backing on both sides of this wall that runs into it. Here's a channel on this wall here. When this wall comes up, that last stud there will run right into here. It'll look something like that. Gives you drywall backing on both sides and a nice solid connection into the other wall. I got the worst sunburn of my life out there. Ah, shined. Shined, shined. This wall's good to go. That wall's done. This wall just needs a header and some top grips. Moving right along now. It's 9:30 on day 2. Almost all walls are up. Be done here in about 30 minutes.
Look at the pictures. I can probably I got a serious issue with my chest. Make sure that outside wall's online.
Outside's good all the way through. I'm gonna tap that over a fuzz. I like that.
Alright.
Or diarrhea.
Good?
Yep.
Subscribe for free on Google Play or Apple Podcasts.
You guys already know. We got the Bosch router out. We're gonna router out these windows. We've got a couple down that way, a couple on the back side. These guys here. Ready for a floor. Got it.
Got it? Don't drop it.
I won't drop it. Let's give it a flipper. Flippy whippy.
Riding out or riding in?
Don't matter.
Don't matter, just don't bite it.
182 and 5/8.
You're good on your plate?
Yes.
182, 5/8
Gotcha.
with the cheer. What's up, baby?
Oh, and it didn't even split. 151 and a quarter. All right, you guys, we are at end of day 2. We got all of our plumbing line done today, around the whole entire building. All of our hold downs got put in. You can see them right down in there. Right down in there. From there, we wrapped this whole entire place in OSB. We had a couple different shear walls. One of them was from hold down there to hold down, whoop, right over there. Another was corner of building to that window there. Day 2, and we started on the floor system. Could not be happier. This is all rimmed out, joist out all the way until the end. We have a couple left to go. We got one of our cantilevered beams in. The other one has to be ripped still. I'll show the plans, the elevations right over here. You guys can see what that beam goes to. We have the staircase going down. This beam is not ribbed for slope. We're gonna have a nailer alongside it there. That way our stringers can hang off of it and we don't have a difference in height from one side to the other. Overall though, damn good day. But that is all we have time for today though, guys. I'm gonna head on home. I will see you guys on day 3. Bang on.